Most people rely on the cyber people to do their filings. That is very wrong. And that's where I've dealt with clients who are referring me to a cyber person. When I call the cyber person asking, do you have documentation to support whatever you filed for this person? They don't know. They were guessing figures. And those are the loopholes that KRA is trying to seal. They're trying to avoid such guessing of figures, guesswork. From next year, January, there will be no guesswork. It will be e-teams, and the system will always gauge on itself, and it will not allow you to do any manual input of those figures. You will not be able to craft them in any way. And as a business person, you want to grow. You want to secure tenders. You want to be able to secure some loans from these financial institutions. And one of the requirements that they normally ask, please bring us a tax compliance certificate. Any tender, I tell you, any tender in Kenya today, any serious tender that you'll want to win, you must provide a tax compliance certificate that is certified, right? Where will you get it from if you don't want to go through the legal ways? There is no way. So for business people, you don't have to worry a lot about things. These are things that should have been done long way ago. The only thing is that in Kenya, we are crafty. In Kenya, we look for shortcuts, and we love shortcuts. The only problem that normally comes with shortcuts is when you are asked to prove whatever figures and the filings you've been doing. A lot of people find themselves in problems. They will say, given the patterns we are seeing, income is flowing into your bank account, we are estimating that you should be paying, or you are making sales worth this much. You don't want to get there, because that's a very dangerous zone. So I would ask you, if you want to claim expenses at the end of the year so that you reduce your tax liability in the coming next year, 2026, remember that the time is now. Make your records clear now, because you can do it. That is, it's not out of logic. It's very simple, and you just want to engage someone who understands, so that whatever sales you make, whatever expenses in terms of purchases or any other expenses that you incur, let them be captured, because they will help you at the end of the day to do your filing, remain compliant, stay clear of your business. You'll be able to win the tenders whenever there is. You are able to secure financing from the financial institutions because you are compliant. You'll be stress-free. You can focus on ways in which you can grow your business. And at the end of it all, you will win trust. Your clients will trust you because they know that you work within the precincts of the law and the provisions thereof. So as a business person, do not panic. Just relax and ask yourself, what are the steps that you're supposed to do? And I've mentioned them. And when you reach out to professionals, they will guide you accordingly.